Because the script, man, I thought it was an amazing topic and something that should be put out in the forefront, and it was funny. And I wanted to do some comedy. They were fun on camera and off camera. I mean, we had great laughs, our chemistry was there, and we just connected quickly, man. And I loved every bit of it. It felt like too short, though. I wanted it to go longer. They were doing something that was risky, of course, but they understood the material, and then we played around. And man, they played. They took things out. They reduced it. They got big. They got small. Leadership is hard, man. Leadership is hard, and you know, as you rise, just work harder to maintain your integrity. Work harder to remain who you started out to be. The prayer scene was hilarious because it felt like a battle, you know, but man, we laughed a lot.